Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'd like to show you how to make flexible and very stretchy cast-on without a tail. This cast-on is very good for knitting hats, mittens, socks and anything that you need with rib stitches. I will be casting on one needle and I don't need to leave a long tail of the yarn. I will start with a slip stitch. Once I have my ideal place like that, I can pull both yarns and finish our slip stitch. I will take shorter end of the yarn together with the needle. Yarn that goes to the ball, I'm gonna take it with my fingers and go with that around my thumb. I have a loop here that goes around my thumb and the thread goes to the fingers, and I'm holding on to the yarn like that. Now I will go inside this loop and I need to take this yarn and pull it through the loop. I have a new loop on my needle and now I'm just gonna release this yarn and pull the yarn to finish the loop. And again, yarn goes around the thumb, going inside the loop, taking the yarn and pulling it through the loop, releasing the yarn, and pulling the yarn to finish the loop. That's how our loops looks on one side. That's the rib, and that's the other side. In the knitting, our loops will look the same from both sides. That's how this casting on looks in round knitting. It is very flexible and super stretchy.